Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, what should talk I today? I think I today I do lots of things. Sorry for that. I did lots of things. What is that? I listened the APJ Abdul Kalam biography and I was shocked. What is this? We all human think that why not you should achieve your goal until the age of 30. I think extend 30. And why not you can't achieve something extraordinary after the 30? Why? There is not necessary to think like that. This is the worst scenario, worst scenario, because if you think like that then you become automatically like that. Think that you can think you can achieve anything. Just just that ignite yourself what you want, and just say yourself that you can do repeat it again and again, then you can see the result after a long time, not immediately, because immediately not anything going to happen. It's not powerful. Okay, if you need to understand the concept of behind this subject. What is behind this subject? The powerful ignite yourself, the powerful the willpower of yourself that will ignite your all skill through your journey. Look, don't go run don't run away, and don't try to push yourself harshly, because it is not required. Just keep it on, and just just try to understand what is the wrong, what is the good for you, and observe things. This is the worst scenario, and most people are not doing this. In fact, they have a not idea, because they didn't because they don't recognize their power. This is the main fact. We always believe in others, and we always think that others person doing this, that means they have a great opportunity and they have a great facility about to doing this. Nothing. It's not required. All willpower within you. Okay, so use your willpower. Dr. Abdul Kalam said that you can do. No anyone came to inform you that you should do this stuff in that way. Nothing. You have empower to doing anything. Set your goal and keep going on, and observe the things. Keep away and throw out keep away your negativism, because if you think in negative, then all things become negative. So think in positive. Whatever things are happening, think and look at look the both side, negative and positive, and then think positive. Don't take it negatively, because world is so large and you can't count anything. You can't force anything. You can't handle anything. Only you can handle that yourself. What are you and what you want? This mentality can take you ahead of your thinking. And most important, thinking is most important. Think big, not think short. All people are very in small things. There is no need to thinking about it, because you have a money to pay this put this for object. Why don't you fight for this? Nothing necessary to explain yourself that no, I it's not matter what is the wrong, what is the right for this little object. This is the not expensive object. I can buy it. So forget about things, and let's do what is the important things. And what is the important things? Your journey, your experience, what you are doing, how to utilize your time. This is the most important things. You should think about it. And first of all, work in the downtime, because once you do this stuff over the day, and then at the evening you can take a rest. We should keep drop this and try to make things clear, and try to walking in nature, try to get refresh. This little bit step can take you ahead from yourself, and allow your unconscious mind to work on it. Consciously you have done this over the day, and in the evening you have to drop out and feel relaxed, and let do the your unconsciousness mind, and what happened, it's not required for you, and you just keep it up, and after the long time you can get result. Absolutely. So this is my today's talk. I think I am able to understand myself, my thoughts, and my all review, what I look, what I thought all about this, and I'm happy for that. I can make a video 5 minutes daily and upload it YouTube. Not that any person like me, not for that. I'm just doing this for my fulfillment, and for my pleasure. Once where I started, where I'm going, this is my main topic. And actually I'm a learner person. I'm never start to learning this scenario. Whatever it will take a time, I have a time, I have a courage. Bye bye. Thank you so much.